As we watch the desalination process of sea water اللي هي عملية تحلية مياه البحر, this is one of the most important solutions to the water problem. We can carry out desalination through two ways where we rely on what we learned about matter. Seawater used in the desalination process, which is mixing the mixture containing many materials. And when we filter it, we get rid of the seaweed and fish, and the water and salts remain from the filtering processes, as you can see it in our video. The small particles that make up the mixture of water and salt can be separated by the reverse osmosis process that occurs using certain types of filters, as we can see. This is the first method. In this method, the salty water passes under pressure and the salt particles begin to separate on one side of the filters, and on the other side, the pure water particles will be there. As for the second method, it takes place by heating, whereby the evaporation of water particles and the deposition of salt at the bottom occurs. After that, the water vapor is condensed and collected in the form of fresh, salt-free water. وبعد كده بيتم تكثيف بخار الماء وتجميعه في صورة ماء عذب خالي من الأملاح. Although desalination of sea and ocean water is one of the most important solutions to the water problems, there are some problems that it faces. Who recorded these problems? Desalination requires a lot of energy. It's very expensive. Also, the water collected can collect large number of marine organisms and algae. In addition, getting rid of all the amounts of salt produced will cause environmental pollution. And here comes the role of technology. Scientists thought of ways to use water energy to run plants. والعلماء فكروا في طرق يستخدموا بيها طاقة المياه في توليد المحطات. And other ways they could distribute the amounts of salt that could result from desalination process without causing environmental damage. For all these operations to be carried out successfully, there must be large number of workers, engineers, and scientists who supervise the desalination of seawater inside plants, and laboratories to test the water and the percentage of salt.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا المستقبل يبدأ الآن.